Can you get a sense of Google Cloud Platform data processing and data storage products in just a few minutes? Let's find out. It all starts with the ability to store objects or files. Google Cloud Storage is a fully managed object storage service. It offers different storage classes, from multi-regional for optimal end-user latency to cold line storage for lower frequency access. There is a single unified API to interact with cloud storage. This makes, for instance, moving objects across storage classes completely seamless. Cloud storage offers strong consistency and is designed for 11 nines of durability. Storing data is great, but processing it is probably even more useful. In the big data category, a GCP Hello World would be to throw an SQL query at a large set of data, hoping to find useful insights. Let's do just that with BigQuery. You could, of course, upload and work with your own data set, but here we will use sample data from a public data set instead. What's important here is that at no point do you need to provision a cluster or storage capacity. Simply craft a standard SQL query, and within seconds, BigQuery will have processed potentially gigantic amounts of data and produced a result that can be saved in various formats. For instance, using the public dataset of GitHub commits, here we've asked BigQuery to provide the list of the top Google employees fixing stuff on GitHub. Also, with the same dataset, we can figure out which programming languages make developers the most happy. Notice the regular expression embedded in the query. The key point here is how much data is processed in such a short period of time. You can import or stream data to BigQuery using an API, but also export just about any data produced by other GCP products and services such as logs to BigQuery. If you have existing Apache Hadoop or Spark workloads, you will likely be interested in trying out Cloud Dataproc, GCP's fully managed environment that will spin up a cluster in less than 90 seconds. Let's talk about relational databases, or RDBMSs. SQL as a language still has unsurpassed qualities, and RDBMSs such as MySQL and PostgreSQL are very popular. This is why Google Cloud SQL is a managed service that supports both of these relational databases. This is a great solution for storing your existing or new application data. Simply choose between MySQL and PostgreSQL. Select a machine size with up to hundreds of gigabytes of RAM and terabytes of storage. Select a zone, and Cloud SQL will take care of providing the following: encryption at rest and in transit, a private IP address, data replication between multiple zones with automatic failover, automated backups, as well as point-in-time recovery. Staying with relational databases, Google also offers Cloud Spanner, a horizontally scalable, strongly consistent relational database as a service. Make sure to check out this truly innovative technology that defies the CAP theorem and that many Google services are built on. In the NoSQL department, Cloud Firestore is a highly scalable, strongly consistent database offering two modes. The native mode offering real-time updates and offline support for mobile developers, and the data store mode for backend developers looking for a schemaless documents database. Cloud Bigtable will complement your storage options with a petabyte-scale, fully managed NoSQL database service. This will be mostly suited for large analytical and operation workloads, as it comes with high-throughput characteristics, such as consistent sub-10 millisecond latency. In any case, you should visit cloud.google.com/storage options for a decision tree to understand which is the best database for you. GCP has numerous other data-related products, some particularly innovative. Be sure to consider the following: PubSub for producing and consuming messages globally across all GCP zones and regions, FileStore for applications that require a file system interface. Cloud Memory Store for Redis provides a fully managed in-memory data store service that is ideal to build application caches with sub-millisecond data access. Cloud Dataflow to build and execute unified batch and streaming pipelines using the Apache Beam programming model. Dataprep to make sure your data scientists are not spending 90% of their time cleaning up data instead of processing it. And Data Studio for interactive dashboards and engaging reports. Consider taking free code labs linked in the description below to explore any of these GCP products. Check out the Compute Overview and Machine Learning episodes, and look forward to an upcoming video on DevOps and tooling. If you liked this video, please like, subscribe, comment, and share. See you soon for another GCP Essentials video.